All right, so I've had one of the viewers asked how to improve the recognition of paragraphs. So if we were to open a notebook and I'm just going to go with all the defaults and I'm just going to write some text. Please hold, I'll be back in a minute. All right, so let's just say we had some text like this and now we want to convert it to text. What we can do is go down here and say convert to text and it will convert the whole page, right? Now down here, converting to text, you get the progress bar and then it actually takes it and it disappears. Your page, if I go to the grid view, you'll see there's only, oh, that's new. Look at that. That's new. It used to take your text away and convert it. Now and I always used to duplicate the page, make 2 copies and then convert one of them so I had my original. Right, anyway, so there we go. Now, can you see that it hasn't recognised the paragraph, I'm great? Can you see that? And it hasn't recognised the paragraph, things are going well. Now, oh, lighter. And it didn't recognise the paragraph, do you have a to-do list today, question mark. So you can see that it hasn't recognised the paragraphs very well. So I'm going to try what this viewer and I were having a bit of a chat and they suggested putting bullet points in front of paragraphs. So I'm going to do that now. What did they say? Just a moment, let me read this. Dashes. Using dashes sort of works. It creates bulletproof points where the paragraph should be. So here we go. I'm going to just move all of this text for a second. Didn't grab that one down the bottom, so let me just do that again. Doesn't like it when you go outside the lines. So just try and stay as neat and tidy. There we go. That should grab it all. I might make it a touch smaller. I'm going to move it over a bit so I can do my dashes. All right, now I'm going to put dash, 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 dash. Now we're going to convert, sorry, I keep going to that bottom one. Now we're going to convert to text. Follow it down the bottom. Look at that. So there you go, how you can help reMarkable to recognise your paragraphs. It still didn't, well, it did recognise this paragraph. It didn't put a bullet point in front of it, but it did recognise it. And even in here, so if I want to tap on edit text and come in here, what is it doing? Here we go. And go back. Then I can, if I close that and just get rid of the, you do have to fiddle around a bit with typing mode. You just got to work with what it is. Yes, I need to get the following done. I'm not sure why it's shoving it on the next line. Let us see how many characters there. Yeah. So that's about the length of your line. When you're in, remember this is where all your typography is as well, but when you close it, when we go into T, we can go wide column or we can go narrow column now. That's a new setting in the beta 3.14. And you've got about that many characters to play around with. So that's a suggestion for if you are having trouble with it recognizing your paragraph. So that was the original conversion to text. It didn't recognize the paragraphs. And then that is with putting the dashes in front. So there's a quick fix on getting it put into paragraphs. So let me say thank you to Pippi Tamarugi. Thank you for that. That's awesome. It's good to share that with others. Awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.